Welcome to the maths class, students. We were doing chapter mensuration, exercise 11.2. Today, in this session, we shall start with question number 9. And question number 9 says, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So here you can see the figure. This is a regular octagon. Regular means all the sides will be of the same measure. So this octagonal platform, we have to find the area. Now this surface can be divided into three of the parts. Here first portion you can see that this is in a form of trapezium. Same way the bottom will be also in the form of trapezium and the middle portion will be in the form of rectangle. So as this is a regular octagon, the upper portion, that is the trapezium ABCH, will be equals to the down portion, that is the other trapezium. So these two trapezium area will be equal, and we know the area of trapezium is half into the distance into the sum of the parallel sides. Putting the values, half into 4 into 16, which we will get as 32 meters square. Now area of rectangle which we are finding in between will be 11 into 5, as 5 is the measure of the side given. That will be equals to 55 meters square. Now area of octagon will be area of trapezium ABCD plus area of trapezium DEFG plus area of rectangle. So adding the 32 meters square plus 32 meters square plus 55 meters square, we are getting 119 meters square. So this way children, whenever a polygon is given to us, we have learned that we need to divide it into other figures and find the area of it by adding those. Now let us see question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. So here you can see a pentagonal park. Pentagonal means a polygon having the 5 sides. Now Jyoti and Kavita have divided this park differently. The parameters of this park is given. The base and the two sides are given as 15 meter and whole of its measure of length will be 30 meter. We need to calculate how area Jyoti has calculated and what Kavita has done. So firstly we will calculate how Jyoti has done. So here you can see the pentagonal shape park. Jyoti has divided into two trapezium, whereas Kavita has divided this park into a triangle and a square as a base. So firstly let us do the calculation what Jyoti did. So Jyoti's way of finding area, that area of pentagon will be equals to 2 times of the area of trapezium, as she has divided the whole pentagon into 2 of the trapezium. So area of pentagon will be equals to twice of the area of trapezium. So measure of the parallel sides will be 15 and 30 centimeter. See here, this portion is given as 15 meter and the whole structure is given as 30 centimeter. So these two will be the parallel sides. So this will be 15 and this whole is 30 meter. And the distance between them will be side divided by 2. So it will be 7.5 meter. Now putting all these values in the formula for area of trapezium. Area equals to twice, as there were two trapezium. Now this is the area of one trapezium, half into the sum of the parallel sides into the distance between them, that is 7.5 meter. On calculation, we are getting 337.5 meters square. So this was the way which Jyoti did. Now look for the Kavita's way. So by the figure, we got to understand that Kavita divided the whole pentagon into the triangle and the square. So area of the pentagon will be area of triangle plus area of the square. And we know the formula for area of triangle is half base into height, and for square is side square. So putting the value half into 15, 30 minus 15. Why we are doing for this? As this whole was 30 and we have to find only this much, this portion. So what we will do, this portion is 15 given. So this side is given as 15 meter and the total is given as 30. So we need to calculate only this portion. So we will have to subtract 15 from 30 to get only this height. And then we are adding the area of the square, that is the 15 square. Now 112.5 plus 225, we will get the 337.5 meter square. So any of the way which Jyoti did or Kavita did, in both the way we are getting the same area. Now let us proceed with the 11th of the question. The question says, diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 cm into 28 cm and inner dimension 16 cm into 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So children, we need to see the figure here. So this is the picture frame whose outer dimension is 24 into 28. Length is 28 and width is 24. Inner dimension is 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. And also it is given as the width of each section. So you can see here that this frame portion is divided into 4 of the section and width of each of this section is same as it is given in the question. Now what we need to do, each section is looking like a trapezium. Firstly, see this outer dimension is 28 centimeter and inner is 20 centimeter. So 28 minus 20 is 8 centimeter. So there is a difference of 8 centimeter and the width of each of the side is equal. So we can understand that A plus 20 equals to 28, or twice of A equals to 28 minus 20, which we have calculated. So 2A equals to 8 and A equals to 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. So this way children, we have calculated that each side is having the width of 4 centimeter. Each section is having the width of 4 centimeter. Now we will be using this for area of trapezium. Now here you can see that section BEFC will be equals to section AHGD. These two sections are of same measure, whereas the other two, ABEH and CDGH, these two are of same measure. So the two opposite to each other are of same measure. So putting the values for finding the area of trapezium, half sum of the parallel sides into the distance, that is width, we have just now calculated as 4 centimeter. We get the area of these two sections to be 96 centimeter square. Now for area of section ABEH, which is equals to area of section CDGH, half 16 plus 24, the parallel sides, into 4 equals to 80 centimeter square. So this way children, we have completed till question number 11th, as well as we have completed this exercise.